A massive earthquake rocked Venezuela in the southern Caribbean on Tuesday evening, knocking out power throughout the region and sending people rushing out of buildings. Preliminary reports from the U.S. Geological Survey indicate a 7.3 magnitude quake struck just 12 miles off Venezuela's Cariaco Peninsula, its northeasternmost tip. The epicenter is not far from Trinidad's northwestern coast. The two countries are separated by just 7 nautical miles. It was a little surreal, the country just seemed to shut down for a second. Kevin Farrick, Trinidad and Tobago. There are no reports of fatalities in either country so far. But in Venezuela, the Associated Press indicates there may be injuries from an escalator collapse in Cumana, the closest city to the epicenter. In a public address, Nestor Reverol, the country's interior minister, asked for patience and insisted that national disaster teams have been dispatched for relief. In July 1997, a 6.9 quake struck the same Cariaco region, resulting in more than 80 deaths. In Trinidad, Joan Lachman, a seismologist at the University of the West Indies Seismic Research Center, told the AP that Tuesday's quake was the strongest felt in the country since December 2016. Stuart Young, Trinidad and Tobago's Minister of National Security and Communications, gave a televised address on the country's state-owned network to confirm there were no reports of damage to the island's infrastructure. But images quickly flooded social media of downed power lines, toppled store shelves and fallen debris. Aftermath of today's earthquake at Q's live pic.twitter.com/9314Gacado, Sprovy, at Sprovy_Ashby, August 21, 2018. Kevin Farrick, a marketing consultant from Port of Spain, initially mistook his rocky commute home as car trouble. Once he glanced up to see the traffic lights flashing and lampposts swaying, he realized it was more than just a bumpy ride. Then a transformer exploded and I was like, wait a minute, there's nothing wrong with my car. It's a damn earthquake, Farrick said. Soon after, he noticed people running out of area businesses and government buildings into the streets. It was a little surreal, the country just seemed to shut down for a second, he said. At Q's live at TV6 TNT at CNC3 TV videos of earthquake pic.twitter.com/Vilfo3ZCKG, Alyssa Boudrum, at Prettyana_03, August 21, 2018. Many Venezuelans and Trinidadians are now using Facebook's check-in tool to mark themselves as safe in the aftermath. The quake could be felt as far away as Bogotá, Colombia, as well as several Caribbean islands in the region, including Grenada and St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Although aftershocks are still being reported, the Pacific Tsunami Warning Center reports no immediate threat of a tsunami to the surrounding region. Download